Welcome to Maharaja Agrasen Model School, CD Block, Pitampura, Delhi. The school is established under the flagship of VI-XII Educational Society.
Our school is a unique blend of tradition and modernity. The school holds its head high when it comes to all-round development of the students. It is a matter of delectation that the school lays emphasis on prioritization of ethics, values, culture and tradition, as well as a focus on global issues. British Council, Digital Learning Magazine and Brainfeed are some of the organizations that have rated the school on the top pedestal in terms of infrastructure, managerial strategies, and the vision of the school. The school holds its head high when we talk of the board exam results. The students of classes 10th and 12th have performed exceedingly well year after year, and several students have secured more than 90% in the board exams. With immense pleasure, I would like to inform you that the pre-primary wing of our school has state-of-the-art infrastructure with air-conditioned classrooms. The Children's Park gives ample opportunities to the students to develop their motor skills, which helps the students to blossom and explore a foothold to grip and soar high. The pre-primary wing provides the children with an all-round, wholesome and stimulating environment for learning. MAMS accentuates ICT-enabled classrooms, which makes the teaching learning process more enriching and more engaging. The trying times of the pandemic were seen as an opportunity, and the school successfully conducted smooth online and hybrid classes on Microsoft Teams, thereby creating new platforms for the teaching learning process. All classrooms in the school have smart boards and are ICT enabled. The well-equipped and full-fledged science labs, updated with the latest technology, facilitate cognitive development and give the students a first-hand learning experience. The school has a micro-scale chemistry lab, well-equipped physics lab, and a fully furnished biology lab to cater to the scientific bent of mind of the senior students of the school. The techno-advanced computer labs cater to the contemporary IT needs of the students and the staff. Health checkups are conducted at regular intervals, and parents are updated about the health and wellness of their wards. The school library is a treasure trove of books that quenches the children's thirst for knowledge and for learning. The school has Atal Tinkering Lab, where neoteric innovators of our school take up design thinking and find out technology-based solutions to the problems of the society. A child is the future of the country. In our school, we lay emphasis on value-based education and inculcate life skills among all students of our school. We must develop our students with care. The fulfillment of basic needs leads to a higher set of socio-political needs and ultimately to the goal of the full flowering of human personality and the release of creative energies of every student. In all these, value education plays a very important role, and we impart this at MAMS. Excellently furnished with latest devices are our resource room and seminar hall, which help us to take up collaborative teaching learning, laying equal emphasis on physical agility and sportsmanship. Our vast expanse of the playground caters to handball, volleyball, skating rink, basketball, cricket, kho-kho, athletics, and many more. The school band Octave adds to our pride when it performs at the Chhattisgarh Stadium on Republic Day year after year. Keeping in tune with the present scenario, music and dance are an integral part of our school curriculum. The well-trained faculty trains the students for various competitions and events from time to time. When I look at my students, I see immense possibilities. Our school maintains the best standards of hygiene and cleanliness. Sanitizers are available all around the school. All members of the staff and students follow COVID appropriate behavior, which includes wearing a mask, following physical distancing, and maintaining hand hygiene. We request parents to fill up forms for admission to our school. We assure you of the best facilities for your ward for a promising future. Thank you.